Parking on the beach here at Grayland. Can't get any better than this. We're gonna go drive around and have some fun.
Keeps walking out of camera range. I think he doesn't want to be on camera. But he keeps walking out of camera range. Woohoo! There went the door. Wayne got it. What did he find now? Oh, a feather. He found a feather.
It don't fly very good without the bird.
And then in the end, I found a bird. Well, what was left of it? His wing was here, and it still had the meat attached. And then his leg and his torso was over here. Somebody. I'm trying to figure out what the hell tore the bird apart.
Huh? Where at?
Back there. I was like, what tore the bird apart?
I don't know.
The only thing I can think of is somebody hit it and drug it.
Could be.
That's the only thing I can think of.
This wind is wanting to shut the door on me all the time. Hello.
He's unloading his haul from the beach. Then he gets to come around the other side and help me unload my haul from the beach.
I'm trying to get from underneath the seat because they all fell down in there.
Oh dear. That's not cool.
Yeah, I found a buck.
Ah. That's not cool.
Guitar pick.
That's not cool. See, there's his hole. There's his hole. Oh, there's some more of his hole.
Yep. Seashells, crab shells, silver dollar shells.
That's not cool.
Or sand dollar shells.
He keeps calling them silver dollars. It's wishful thinking, I think. If they made silver dollars that big, oh boy.
I'm rich.
I'd be richer because you gave me the whole ones. They're over here.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
Sand under my fingernails. There's sand under my fingernails. You guys, please don't go away. Nobody go away. Hi. Maybe we should have put these guys over there so the wind can't it to them until tomorrow. I'm just afraid that the lighter ones are going to blow away.
Yeah.
Well, they've already tried to.
No, we'll move them.
Because the wind catches them and they take off. It's like, no, stop that.
Okay.
Darren approaching. The deer, the doe, and the buck. Buck is behind that little sign. The doe's next to him. Darren's approaching now. Buck is very curious about what he's doing. He's not frightened. He's just watching. What are you doing? There's Darren. That's how close he is to the... He's actually coming up on the doe right now. Oh, the baby's out there too. That could be bad. There are the deer, and there is Darren. Like I said, very close. The buck is slowly working his way over to Darren. Oh, no, buck. Darren, stop. You're worrying him now. Oh my Lord, he's close. He's so close to those deer. He's about 6 feet away at the moment from the buck. I'm really surprised that buck's letting him that close. I just hope the buck doesn't turn and fight. Because even though he's little, those horns, even though their nubs would hurt. I'm making him nervous now. He's going to turn around and hit over by the female and the baby. Uh-oh. Oh, here comes Mom. Here comes Mom. He's too close to the baby. Darren, back up. Back up, because she's in fight mode. Oh, no, and the baby's approaching. Don't do that, little one. You're going to get in some war down. Oh, no, bad. He's so close right now. He's only about 4 feet away from that baby. And the little one's coming closer and closer. Here's hoping Mommy and Daddy are okay with it. Yeah, here's hoping Mommy and Daddy are okay. Oh my Lord. It's about 3 feet away from the baby now. And they know he's there. They don't care. He's holding out his hand. The dogs. No, stop the dogs. Stop the dogs. Stop the dogs. Ah, dang it. The dog growled at them and they took off. The dog growled at them and they took off.
So Teresa and I are back. Finally made it back from Westport. The end of our illustrious vacation. And I just want to give a couple of shout outs, actually quite a few shout outs. The first one is to American Sunset RV and Tent Resort. Each of these shout outs I'm going to have a link in the description below. But for the resort, I want to give a shout out because they have some of the amenities: a heated pool, a playground, contained campfires, the clubhouse, awesome bathrooms, pull-through sites, free Wi-Fi, laundry, 120 full hookup sites, well, 20, 30, and 50 amps, the standard. They'll sell propane. They have a store, picnic tables, set TV. They're sitting on 47 acres of prime land. Pets are welcome. They have a forested tent area, the helpful staff, planned activities, paved roads. Lighthouse is close by, so you can go on the lighthouse tour. It's open all year round, and it's only 10 blocks from the marina and beaches. The next shout out would have to be some of the restaurants that we went to, like the Buoy. Definitely want to go try that one. Bennett's Cook Shack. We went there on a previous trip. And there's one other one. It's the Hearty Pirate, I want to call it. I can't remember the name, and I didn't write it down, but they make awesome breakfasts there. Want to thank the people at the Maritime Museum, and I also want to thank the people at the gift shop. Give them a shout out, and they are located at the end of Dock 4. So when you get to Dock 4 there on the marina, head straight on out and go all the way to the end. You'll see the gift shop there tucked in the corner, and it's an awesome place. Like I said, we got the trailer back. Teresa's in resting right now. We unloaded the trailer. Now it's all my turn. Just gonna get everything ready to put the trailer back in its place and get the vehicles back over here and get back to our everyday routine. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that little bell icon. That'll let you know when another video pops up, and you won't miss a single video. Anyway, this is Darren for Teresa, who's resting, like I say, and this is RV Archery. Wishing you happy camping. Take care. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.